Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom homepage in the Brave browser step by step. Setting a custom homepage lets you open your favorite website every time you launch Brave. So let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left menu, click Get Started. Under On Startup, select Open a specific page or set of pages. Then click Add a new page. Enter the website address you want to use as your homepage. For example, you can enter https://www.google.com. Next, click Add. If you also want the Home button to open the same website, click Appearance from the left menu. Turn on Show Home button. Then select Enter Custom Web Address. Type your preferred website address. Now, whenever you click the Home button or launch Brave, your selected website will open. And that's it. You've successfully set a custom homepage in the Brave browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Brave browser tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.